Hello everyone, welcome to JohoStream, your stream of knowledge in coding and technology. I'm Teja Rajamantri and a second year student at LMBTI Japanese ID University, and I created this channel to share what I'm learning in software engineering with all of you. My first video series will focus on data structures and algorithms, one of the most important foundations in programming. We will learn it step by step in simple and practical way. After that, I will be covering more software engineering lessons like object-oriented programming and databases, web development, software design and project building, all designed to help you grow as a best developer. Since I'm also learning Japanese and some videos will be included Japanese subtitles, and so everyone can join and learn it globally. Make sure to subscribe and be part of JohoStream, where knowledge follows and coders grow.